Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to show you how you can turn on and off the sketch relations in SolidWorks. So as you can see here, I am unable to select or draw a line on this endpoint or the midpoint because at the moment I had turned off the sketch relations. To turn on them, simply click on options here. Then in the system options, click on sketch relations and snaps below the sketch option. Then enable snapping. After that, enable snaps for endpoints, center point, midpoint, quadrant point, intersection, nearest, tangent, perpendicular, parallel, horizontal lines, horizontal or vertical to points, and length or grid. So it depends on your own setting. Press OK button. Now you can see here I had turned on the sketch relations. This is midpoint relation, and for circle let me show you. So these are the quadrant points. This is center point of the circle, and this is how we can turn on and off the sketch relations. To turn off them, click on setting again. In the system option under the sketch, click on relations snaps and uncheck this box enable snapping and press OK button. Now you can see here I am unable to select the circle or center point, quadrant point or any of the sketch relations. So again let me turn on relation snaps and enable the snapping. Press OK button. So again we had turned on the sketch relations. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more.